In this video I will show you how to add another Instagram account on one device. Okay, all right, let's get started. So what you need to do is you just need to go to your Instagram profile, then click on your Instagram name. As you can see, my Instagram name is Media Next. I will click on Media Next, then I will click over here on add accounts. As you can see, I already have 2 accounts, so I will click on add account. Then you can choose if you want to log into existing account or you want to create new account. If you want to create new account, you can click on create new account. If you want to log in into existing account, you can click on login into existing account. So I will go ahead and click on create new account, and you want to add your username over here. So you need to find your username, then you will click on next, for example, like that. Then click on next, then add your password over here and click on next, and your Instagram account will be added to this device. Then you can log in into your second account. Okay, it's easy and simple. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and leave a comment, and see you in my next video.